Hey guys, you're back again with Lanerdude Studios, and today we're going to do another drawing video. So, if you guys are new to the channel, this is how it works. I flip through here, and I have to stop and find a random Pokemon, and I have to draw it. And it's going to be very hard. I usually fail, so be sure to watch this video. So, let's get our paper here up on the top shelf. Oh, let's see. Start drawing a BMW in my notebook here. It's supposed to be a Bugatti. Okay, here we go. So, here is our paper here. Also, we have a new camera, so it's got manual focus and stuff. It can zoom in quite a ton. It has really cool autofocus, but it doesn't work when I'm shooting videos, which doesn't make sense. But yeah, so let's just start. I'll pick the pencil when we got the Pokemon. Ooh, okay. So in this case, all these are kinda hard to draw. So we will reflip. What are the odds that I flipped to the one that I showed you guys? Okay, okay, I guess we'll draw this Milcery guy. Okay, so, yeah, let's get you guys zoomed in here. There. That looks good. So we're gonna have this Pokemon right here. I'm going to attempt to draw this as good as I can. And I really have to sketch it, I think, because it's not... There aren't any, like, actual black lines on it. It's just kind of tannish. Let's start with this big lump thing. It's just like milk splashing or something. That's what it looks like. Okay. We're kind of doing the outline here. While we're up here, let's do this splash thing back there. Okay. Not turned out bad. We'll do this other one right here. Okay, that one didn't go that well. And then right here. Sorry if you guys can't really see this, but I have to blind you for a second. Okay. Turning out good, I guess. I told you I was gonna fail. I always fail at these. That's why these videos are kind of funny. Okay. And then it's big chin sort of thing. And then it's other splash, which turns into an arm somehow. Okay, and then just circle up here. Okay. Now we need to do his eyes. So his eyes are like 2 parentheses, but then Yeah, I've never seen this Pokemon before. Very weird. Okay, I did make it a little bit wide. Okay, so we're done. Yeah, that's not the best, but I told you I was gonna fail, so yeah, we have just drawn Milcery. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. If you guys like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and at my channel, I do have more of these videos. I think there's like 2 more. We're always coming out with new ones of these because you guys like these videos. So yeah, stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.